Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ratul Ibrahim, and in this video I am going to show you how to do some static routing. And in this video I'm going to show you for the lab exercise number 2. So here we go. The first thing you want to do here is open your PNet and then put 5 router and PC, 5 pairs of router and PC. And here I use the 192, 192, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So that's what I use for the network address. And yeah, before you do all of this static routing stuff, all you have to do is actually making sure the peer-to-peer connection is actually connected. And there you go, there is the IP address for the PC1, and then I'm going to show you for the router, so you can actually connect it and can actually do a peer-to-peer connection. There you go. As you can see, there's a little bit of bug here. Wait for a minute. So there you go. I'm gonna make sure that the peer-to-peer is actually working, because if not, it's going to be a fail. Because this peer-to-peer stuff is actually one of the most important thing before you do a PNet lab stuff. There you go. As you can see right there. There you go. That's a print. That's the IP that I've made for the Microtik one, and then we're gonna try to do some ping between the PC and the Microtik, and you have to do it all in this all of this router. You have to set up all of the IP and the gateway the proper way, because if not, it's going to be a fatal coincidence. So yeah, and I'm going to show you what the IP address for the Microtik one. As you can see what I input there. Yeah, let's do the IP address print first. There you go. I'm gonna do the ping to each router to the PC, and it's actually working. So this is the proof that the peer-to-peer is actually working. There you go. I've pinged it to the router 2, and it's actually working. And the next thing you want to do for a static router, after you actually done the peer-to-peer right, is actually to do the static routing. And to do so, what you want to do is actually not that hard. So let me show you all, just for a minute. you want to do the same thing, the MikroTik 5 for the router 5 to all of this. I'm going to show you the IP address. Boom, there you go. That's the IP address I've input to the router. And maybe you want to ping all of it, just to make sure that the peer-to-peer is actually working. And the next thing you want to do is actually to add the static routing. So this is the command right here, IP route. Alright, and then the next thing is add and then destination address. And here you can put all of this IP network that haven't connected to the router. So for example, that 4040 and 192, 168 and 50 is actually connected to the router. So we have to input all of that IP network right here. So there's gonna be a lot of IP, and I've actually inputted off camera. So, and there you go. This is the command 40/24. And then for the gateway is 40/40/40 and 1, because that is the main entrance that we're gonna use, so that the MikroTik 5 can actually connect it to all of this network. So there you go. Forty, 40, 40 and 1. So that's the gateway. So I've actually input all of this and all of the router, so I'm not going to show you in this video, but as you can see, I'm gonna try to ping my PC to another PC. If it actually can ping to the PC too. So it is officially, boom, there you go. So it is a successful port right there. And I don't know why in this 30N2 can't do it. I mean, I think it's because the bug, but earlier on I've actually tried it and it's working, and I've just opened it again and it can't. So yeah, that is a bummer, but it's because of the error for some time. Maybe if I get into it like another time, the ping can actually work. And it's kind of annoying of PNet for doing that, but it is what it is. We just gonna have to deal with it. But for time to time, the ping is actually working. I tried to ping it to 2, and it's a timeout because it's the errors. But the earlier in the video I can actually do it, so that is a successful thing. And yeah, that's it for me. So yeah, you have to do all of that to all of the router right there with the command of one IP route add destination address, and then just put in the network IP network address, and there you go.